this video I will gonna tell you about how to uninstall a software in Windows 10. There are fewer methods to uninstall a method. The first method is go to the start menu and select the all apps. In this, select the app you have to uninstall. Suppose I want to uninstall the Google Chrome. Select that, right click on it. Here comes an option of uninstall. Select that option and your software will be uninstalled. This was the first method. Now the second method is again go to the start menu and select the settings in it. Here comes an option of system display. Select this, and in this select the option apps and feature. Here comes all apps which has been installed in your computer. Suppose I want to uninstall this Sublime Text 3. Select that. Here comes an option of uninstall. This was your second method. Now the third method is select the search option and type here control panel. Select that, and here comes an option of programs, uninstall a program. Select that option. Here comes a list of all apps or softwares. Suppose I want to uninstall Sublime Text 3. Select that. Here comes an option of uninstall. This was your third and the last method of uninstallation of an software. Okay, thank you.